Hello again. We are right now with Semih, who is our hardware expert and he has designed these box and also helped with building up the arena. So Semih, tell us what was the difficulties here when you faced during designing the box?
The difficulty with thank you. The difficulty with the design was that actually coming up with the design because this what makes this design special is that this is the second time we're organizing this thing, and we have learned actually quite a bit from the problem that we had last year. So as a result, this year the robot is significantly simpler. It has much less number of parts, and then the teams could assemble the robot in the same day that they got it, compared to last year, which took several weeks. And that actually made this year's competition much more exciting to watch, because we know that all the teams had working robots and all the matches are just going great.
Yeah, so it's been very interesting since every team has been able to 3D print these themselves, construct it. I think, as you mentioned, or I mentioned before, the fact that they don't require any screws allows anybody to really easily assemble it. And also it makes it easier for us to provide support because the robot has the same design. However, it wasn't just the robot that Semih has been helping with. He's also helped us construct the arena, which has been a very interesting procedure because for machine learning, we need to make sure that the balls have the right lighting, that there's no shadows, that the bumps, as you may have seen, sometimes the bots get stuck on the bumps. The bumps are there because we don't want the balls to just be knocked into the goal. You have to push into the goal. So, Semih, I just want to ask you, given how well this arena has done, what would you like to do differently for the next arena?
Yes. That's a tricky question. Well, actually, our arena is quite good, but I think we could improve with for example, the scoring system. That now we are counting it, but then I believe in the stream people cannot see what is the score during the match. So we could provide that sort of feedback. Like arena mechanically is good, but I believe we can we can connect some sort of feedback from arena to the stream so that people watching can track the game much better.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Yeah, actually, maybe also about the robot. Is it true that you can download the robot model from Thingiverse?
Yes, you can download the robot model from Thingiverse, and also from the GitHub links or from the repositories that we created for this competition. So all the STL files, like the solid design files, as well as the design files, so that you can actually download it and modify the robot for your own needs. And also all the components used for this robot can be found online. So it's really easy to build it yourself if you would like to.
And if you have any problems, Semih is here, and he is gonna be here next year to help you.
Yes. Thank you.
One last thing that I just want to say is for those 3D designers, what kind of software did you use to actually design the robot? And how easy do you find it? What would you recommend?
Yes, that's actually another thing. Now we have used FreeCAD so that people don't really need any licenses to use this. And also, yeah.
Okay, well, that's all for now. We're coming up with the next match. So thank you very much.